The year is 1996, 1997.
Okay.
We haven't been meted yet.
Well, no.
No. And I'm living close by here, and they took us to this place.
Where is this place?
In Camdenton, Missouri. Ha Ha Tonka State Park. That's a mouthful. If you're new here, we're at EPCOT Travel Adventures. We are a travel channel, and we are bringing you travel videos and nostalgic videos for us too, I think, to a degree. You have no idea what the hell this is, do you?
No. If you're new, hello, hi, and welcome.
Yes, if you are new, don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell notification. Don't forget to like and comment down below.
Yep.
Because this video is really cool because you guys and she has no idea what to expect.
Unless you see the title, but I still don't know.
How about this? There's a castle in Missouri.
Interesting.
We're going to go check it out. Guys, enjoy this video. So as the story goes, Robert McClure Snyder of Kansas City came down here and bought some land and wanted to build a European castle. And that's exactly what he did. He brought in stonemasons from Scotland and everything else.
So this is a carriage house.
And
that's the carriage house.
Here it is. Unfortunately, he died before he got a chance to actually see this place. But his sons built it, and then there was a fire that burned the place down. So here it is. This is the castle. It burned down like in the 1950s or something like that. I could be wrong. But this fence was never here. We used to be able to go all the way up and touch it and all that kind of stuff.
That's too short.
But yeah, seriously, we used to be able to, like, we couldn't go inside it, but oh my god, like, I remember sitting on one of these windowsills. Pretty cool, huh?
There's something over there. Do you see?
Yeah. There's a fire pit right there, or a fountain.
Yeah.
Like right over there. So like right there.
It's tattled on people. This area has been damaged because people have traveled where they shouldn't have traveled. Plants have been destroyed and soil has been washed away. Please wow.
So this is the Missouri Castle. Is it everything you thought it would be?
No. Because I didn't know what we were doing. It's just cool though. It's interesting.
Yeah. So before you come up, you can actually get one of these, and it has a lot of information about the Ha Ha Tonka State Park, which is Laughing Park or Laughing River Park, and then tells you the history of the family, and it has a big old map inside.
Oh look, there's this.
That's cool.
And wait, there's more.
Wait, there's more. That's cool.
You can picnic at and stuff.
Yeah. Oh, it's right there by the Ozarks. Huh. Anyway, there's a lot of information.
So you can go on different trails. There's like 2 miles. Ooh, look, it's 6.5 miles.
Jeez. That's crazy.
That's cool.
There's a path that comes around on the other side of the castle.
I think it goes back there too.
Yeah. This kind of reminds me of when we were on the...
Oh, look with the flowers. How pretty.
Sorry, I had to stop here.
Look,
Everyone wants me to shoot this with the flowers.
it looks pretty.
So this kind of reminds me of when we were going to that waterfall.
In Hawaii?
Yeah.
When we went in the dark? And you had a trip and fall?
Yeah, we almost died.
Yeah.
We didn't even come close, but...
There's tigers and bears.
Here's the other side of it. There was a fire that burned this place down. You can still see the charred remains. You see the darkness? That's crazy. That's neat. So it says here that this cart right here was pulled by mules and brought rock up here to the building site from the quarry. And the quarry, that's where the quarry was, but this is where they would have brought it up to. It's crazy. So from over here, from the lookout over here, you take these stairs and you walk all the way up. You walk all the way up to the castle. Could you imagine the view? This is the other side of the entrance. And I still remember sitting on these windowsills. It's pretty crazy. Amber's over here taking some video. She's taking video for our tiki tiki.
For the tiki talkie.
So over here behind the wrought iron gate is the fireplace. This is crazy.
I think it's a basement.
Yeah. But all of it burned down. I was telling Amber when I came here when I was in high school or middle school, we were able to go inside and they had a stone. I took a stone from here.
Shh, don't tell anybody.
I know. But this is crazy.
Do you remember it being like this?
Yes.
Do you remember it being different?
No, I remember. Well, I remember being able to go all the way up. Because we could go all the way up.
I know that, but do you remember it being this big? Or
Yeah.
did you think it was bigger? Because you were younger back then.
I thought this was huge. I mean, now I think it's smaller.
Really?
Yeah. But, yeah. I mean, you can kind of see down below. Someone was saying that there might have been basement or cellars and stuff. I mean...
Well, it probably would have said in here.
Yeah. But this is it. The Missouri Castle.
Oops.
Actually known as Ha Ha Tonka Castle.
Why is it called Ha Ha Tonka?
That's the name of the, I don't know, Laughing Waters. So
So throughout the woodlands, visitors may see a broad-head skink, 5-lined skink, northern face lizard, or 6-lined race runner scurrying over rocks and logs. Prairie scorpion and Missouri tarantula can be found on the glades. So watch where you step. Woodland birds like red-headed woodpecker, summer tanager, blue-gray gnatcatcher, black and white warbler, and eastern wood pewee can be spotted among the scattered oaks and hickories.
Interesting. So over here you can kind of see inside, and over here you can see the ground, like the ground floor. It's crazy.
There's the door.
Wow. There had to have been a basement. Was that the basement then?
I would assume.
So then this probably wasn't the first floor. First floor would probably go up some, right?
Yeah.
To where you could see the windows.
Yeah. This is crazy. So over here, what we're showing you, right inside here, looks like it goes down into something, and then there's stairs that go above it.
That could have been a wine cellar.
Yeah. Could have been.
Or for like a basement where they would keep like food and stuff. That would last a long time.
Yeah.
Like in the olden days.
So if you're into hiking, they have signs like that down the hill a little bit, and that show like different colors of what trail you're on. So if you're trying to follow like the lake trail, the quarry trail, you can go that way. Nice neat. So we're headed back to the car. This is all we came here to see. Are you satisfied?
Yeah.
I think it.
The castle.
Yeah, I mean I think it rivals, Disneyland and DisneyWorld.
How?
I don't know.
Oh, because no, you mean Paris?
I was just.
Disney Paris, because remember we got to go down and see Maleficent locked
Oh yeah.
up in the basement.
Oh yeah.
That's what it kind of reminds me of.
Yep. That was it.
Short video, but it was pretty cool.
Yeah. So this is the Ha Ha Tonka State Park, Ha Ha Tonka Castle ruins. Pretty
It's
cool.
an Indian, what is it, Osage, or I may be saying it wrong, Indian word for laughing.
Waters.
So that's cool.
Yeah, this place, I still kind of remember it. It sucks that like people don't respect things, and and I get it's old. It's over 100 years old, so it's probably gonna crumble a little bit. But it just sucks that people.
We couldn't go up closer, but
No.
that's okay.
Yeah.
We have zoom on our cameras,
But
and we got to experience it.
20 years ago, I was able to. So yay me.
20 years ago.
I know. I'm old. But guys, if you made this far, thank you so much. We hope you enjoyed it. Definitely come here. It's worth the journey.
It's free.
Yeah, it's free. You don't have to pay for state parking. You don't have to do none of that stuff. You just park and then just get out and walk.
And do a lot of trails. Like you can there's a picnic area, bring your food. It's cool now for spring, summer. Get outside. I'm sneezing and a lot because of allergies.
Everything's blooming finally.
Oh yeah, it looks so pretty. And today's like the perfect day.
It is. The one thing too, I didn't know this, but the Ozark, Lake of the Ozarks is real close to here. So if you are here fishing, why not come over here and take a look?
Yeah.
It's really cool. But guys, thank you so much for supporting our channel. Thanks for stopping by. We really hope you guys enjoy the video, and we will definitely see you guys next time. Bye guys.